So today I would like to introduce three important effects in Audacity so that you can use it in your homework. First of all, how can we increase the sound directly? We have two methods. First of all, highlight the whole soundtrack that you want to increase or decrease the sound level. Go to the amplifiers. Amplifiers can increase the sound wave and decrease the sound wave directly. For example, I would like to become a little don't be so loud, and we can press a negative one and then press OK. Then you will see that the whole soundtrack becomes so small. What can it why it is so important? Because we can highlight some part of the sound, for example this part, and we can try to put it directly become a smaller one so that it will not be so noisy for us to listen. So the sound can specifically to change it one by one. Second, it is very important. Let's listen to sound once, okay?
The focus on simple acts, record and export. Thank you.
Do you find that it is quite noisy because of the background? Because when we are doing some recording, it always have some this happen. You are not in a very how can I say we are not we're in a loud room, and your even maybe your mother are just talking rapidly, so you cannot do it in a quiet positions. Therefore, how can we remove the noise directly? Easy. We have two steps. First of all, go to the effect and go to the noise reductions. Click here, and first of all highlight a little part of the sound so that, and then we click the get noise profiles, and this part will be your noise profile. So you tell your Audacity that this part remains it is a noise, that they are noise, okay? And then we try to highlight the whole soundtrack and go to the effect, click noise reduction again. Now because you get the noise file already, and in these situations you can try to press OK. Then let's listen to the sounds again.
The focus on simple acts, record and export. Thank you.
So you can't find any noise now. So the now noise reduction in fact is quite powerful, but you can see that there are so many things you can try in here in the noise reduction. Don't use in a very just like 100 in here. It is not okay because it will directly remove all your sound in here. So just try the about 12 or 10 to 20, then it is okay. So this is the second things I would like to show you. So finally, I would like to try to do some fade in and fade out. What is fade in and fade out? In fact, for some sound effect, sometimes it is, let's have a look in here. Let's listen from here.
The focus on simple acts, record and export. Thank you.
Do you find that it is quite sharp when it is changing the sound from one to the second one? So what should we do in order to make it don't be so sharp? Okay, so first of all, we highlight the final part in here. We have an effect called fade in, so and fade out. So just click fade out, then it will become okay from loud to 0. Then the changing will not be so loudly, just like here. Highlight this part, and then try to fade out, and you can find the difference. Let's see in here. So it will become smoother, right? And of course, from this part, we can also use the effect of fade in, so that it will not be so loud in the first few seconds. So let's see the changing now. So do you find that it is do you find that the effect is powerful? And I hope you can use all this technique in your homework. So let's see the last video to see how can you hand in your homework.